Hello guys, we are playing Start Server. So mag-isa lang tayo nito. Mag-isa tayo? Galing guys. Taas yung graphics natin eh. Loading. So parang nagtatanong siya, tapos parang gugulat niya tayo guys. Kasi ang tagal naman ng loading nito. Pinagdagyan mo guys. Start Server. Ayan na guys, yung title. Kung gusto nyo laruin. Ang tagal. Ay, wala namang backup dito eh. Pa ba? Yan na. Start Server. Okay. Ito na naman yung mga. Parang nakakatakot nga guys. Ay, ito tayo. Ito, palaginip lang ba to? Guys. Yes! Start tayo sa server. Are you having a nice day? Yes! Do you have many responsibilities? Yes! Look around. Comment. Okay. Oh. Are you familiar? Ano? Surroundings? Yes. Yes lang tayo. Yes. Check lang. Do you know where you are? No. Yet. Have you ever had a panic attack? No. Tayo lagi Have you ever... Wait lang. Have you ever felt like there was somebody in your room? Yes. Nararamdaman ko na. Do you find yourself questioning existence? Huh? Do you find, hanap ko daw yung self ko. Questioning, oo. Namang. Yes. May mga hindi ako naiintindihan minsan eh. Do you believe there is God? Oh, nandito na wala. Wait lang. Do you believe? Nakita mo ba? Alam ko. Are you scared of darkness? No, hindi ako takot sa darkness. Ay, joke lang. Takot ako. Takot ako pala. Sa totoo. Are you... Yes! Sinasagot natin mga ano niya. Protein? No! Have you ever had a dream that felt real? Sorry. Have you ever had a dream that felt so real? It was hard to... Totoo. Okay guys, kasi nasa dream tayo. Tapos ito tayo guys. Do you have phobias? Any phobias? No. Do you feel... Yes. Nararamdaman ko na eh. I want to jump. If the lights went out... Oo, natatakot ako. Natakot ako. Yes! May bumaksan no? Grabe! Have you cleaned off your desk? Uy, ito yun na! Auto drop. Tatapon. Yan. Pinapon na natin. Yes. Tama. Open the folder your desk. Are you from Philippines? Paano mo nalaman? Sa true? Yes. Paano mo nalaman? Paano mo na... Oo, may internet ako. Do you have any enemies? Yes, may mga enemies ako. Are you playing on a computer? Yes, naglalaro tayo sa computer, guys. Do you think often about death? No, hindi natin wait lang, guys. If you suddenly went wait lang. If you suddenly went missing, would anybody come looking for you? Yes. Parang natatakot ako. Are you alone? No. Weren't alone, did check your you check your room? Yun ang kasama natin. Did you believe living in guys? Ay, hindi natin nabasa. Yes lang tayo ng yes. Do you accept being watched while answer question? Yes. I don't know now. Do you ever feel like Do you ever feel like you want to do something bad even parang nararamdaman ko it's wrong? If you scream, will anybody hear? Yes. Are you scared of gun ghosts? Ito ko guys. No. Gulat ako guys. No. Our feelings real and not. Kumasyan. Grabe guys, nagulat tayo dun. Did you cry yesterday? Gana. Have you seen the person standing outside your window? Grabe, ginugulo tayo nito. Have you ever felt like someone watching you in your own home? Oo. Do you know Ariette? No. Do you know what is happening? No. Have you ever heard strange or have you heard strange or unexplainable noise in your house night? Grabe. Have you ever experienced sleep? Oo. If you were told the truth, if you were told the truth about your experience, would you then it in hopes of better answer? Yes. I said yes. Okay. Are you sure being honest? Yes. We think the server may not be. Don't worry, you still got 3 chances left. OMG! So be careful with your answers. Do you understand? Yes. Newbie King 90? Yes. What will people think it? Wait lang. Pause nyo guys. When I ask you questions, really could prove. Hello. If I could prove to you that you are not scientist, should be shocked. Yes. Do you want to know the truth? Yes. Bro, palisin mo na ako. Palisin mo na ako. guys, nakakagulat yung kanina. Wait lang guys, goodbye guys, ayoko na. Oy! Sino yan?